guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for joining today. Even though I haven't worked out in a minute, can y'all see my muscles? Like, can you see me? I don't know. I think I still got some there, you know. I have a little bit. Let me just be very honest with you guys. I have not worked out in about 5 months, and that's not due to my control. First off, I am a workout junkie. I have been a workout junkie for a long time, but I have not been able to work out in the past few months due to doctor's orders. So, like, you know, a lot of you wonder how I still keep my physique and my size, and that's mainly because I had turned my fat muscle into lean muscle, and I still continue to try to eat healthy. Okay, I don't eat healthy 100% of the time, no, but 70-80% of the time I do normally eat healthy, and I try to eat health conscious because it's just better for your body and you gain less weight. And so I wanted to come to you guys today because first, I get asked that a lot, and I know eating healthy, a lot of you say, oh, it's so expensive, that's why I don't do it. I'm gonna share with you the things that I do to keep my weight and how I eat healthy and organic on a budget. So if you're new here, my name is Angel. I share everything lifestyle. If you have any of that interests you, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. And don't forget to go ahead and follow me on my social media platforms, especially Instagram, and I have a Facebook group, and I love to chat with you guys there and share my life with you. So let me get into it. There are two main ways that I continue to eat healthy or organic while being on a budget, and that is one with coupons, okay? I said coupons. Look, this is my coupon book, okay? I got this off Amazon. I will link it below, put it in my Amazon store as well. But definitely coupons, and I have all the different, I love this coupon book because it has different sections. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's different sections, so that's how you can keep track of your coupons, whether it's like soups or foods or drinks, you know. And I am a couponer, okay? And I use most of my coupons at Kroger, and I also use the Kroger app. Guys, if you don't shop at Kroger, this may not apply to you. But if you shop at Kroger and you don't have the Kroger app, oh my God, you're sleeping on money. You're giving away money for free, okay? Download the app, and there are tons and tons and tons of coupons on the app. And when you get to the register, you don't have to pull out a coupon book. These are for like stuff that are not in the app. But I use the app all the time. And in reality, my husband and I both save a lot of money with the app. We're always couponing, and it's so easy because once you add the coupon in your cart on your phone, in your app, all you do is gotta scan your Kroger membership card at the scanner, and your coupons apply. It's not like you gotta get up there and pull out coupons the old-fashioned way like this. I mean, literally, Kroger, you just swipe your little card and all your coupons apply. So that's one way that we definitely shop healthy and save money while doing it. The other way is with a company you guys have been following me for a while. I talk about them all the time, and I'm not getting paid for this, but I really love this company, and I've shopped with them for years. And that is Thrive Market, okay? Thrive Market. So I have just literally recently ordered me another box of items from Thrive. These are mostly like snacks because I lately have been wanting to snack a lot, like a lot. But instead of, you know, snacking on fattening foods like chips and cookies and stuff, you want to try to opt for healthier and organic items. And so since I've been having these munchies, I'm like, okay, let's get some more snacks. And so I'm gonna unbox this on camera. Now, some of these snacks I have had before and I loved, and I had to just reorder them, and I will share those with you, and I know they're good because I've had them before. And then some of them I have not had. I just said, that looks interesting, so I'm just gonna order these and see how they taste. So I'll be the taste testers for those items. But yeah, so let's get this box open and get started, okay? Now, one thing I will say about Thrive, it usually takes about 3 days for it to get to your house. So, you know, I order a lot of my canned foods, my dry foods. I mean, I have other Thrive videos out there. So if you are truly interested, go ahead and I'll link those below and check those out, because I've shared all kinds of stuff that I've ordered from Thrive. I do most of my fresh stuff I get from Kroger, But then a lot of my snacks and stuff I get from Thrive. So that's how I shop. So opening this up. Oh my God, guys. Okay. I am a huge fan of these. I have had these before a number of times, and let me tell you what they are. They are called Crunch Crisps. They're 2 billion probiotics per serving. Yes, 2 billion probiotics. Now, these are dill pickled flavored. I've tried the sea salt flavor. I did not necessarily like those, but I love pickles. So if you don't like pickles, I don't recommend these, but I love pickles. And so they're in the shape of Doritos. They are corn chips, but they actually have like cabbage and veggies in them. And this is great for your digestive system and immune system because of all the probiotics that are in them. I cannot tell you, I really like these. And compared to other healthy chips, these to me taste better. So they're not Doritos. Don't expect a Dorito flavor. But to be healthy, I love these. I do. And then I also got these. I have not had these before. And these are kettle chips. They're sea salt and vinegar, and they're organic. So I have not had these. So I'm gonna open them up and taste them. Okay? Ooh, I'm weak. I can't open it. Oh my God. Okay. So if you like salt and vinegar chips, which I love, woo, I'm a huge fan of salt and vinegar and dill. But if you don't like salt and vinegar, maybe try a different flavor. But these things are good. Oh my God, they're good. They're organic, great taste. Oh, you gotta try these. You gotta try these. These are good. And they're gluten. I can't talk. It's the vinegar. And they're gluten free. So if you're gonna snack on some healthy chips. So so I also picked up these. I saw these online. I have not had these before either. These are cheese puffs. Look like Cheetos. They're gluten free. Made by Barbara. Yeah, I never had them, so I'm gonna open them up and taste them. Okay, see if they taste like Cheetos, which I'm sure they shouldn't taste like Cheetos, but this is how it looks. I don't know if you can see it, but not bad. Yeah, they're not bad actually. Like, they have the aftertaste of a Cheeto, but they're not as cheesy as a Cheeto. But this is made with real cheese, so they're not as cheesy because they don't have all the extra stuff in it. But for natural cheese puffs, they're pretty good. You know, I can definitely see myself ordering these again. You know, when I have just a taste for Cheetos. So instead of Cheetos, I just get these and snack on these. Okay, so let me also throw out that some of these come in packs of 2, so you have to get 2 packs when you order them online to get the discount. So I have about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 6 bags of chips over here. But you gotta understand, these 6 bags of chips are gonna last me a while. I have a lot of snacks in here. So this is definitely gonna last me because I go through maybe 1 bag a week, if you know, so it's gonna definitely last me a while. And if you got kids, try these snacks, guys. Try them. Try them instead of the other ones. They're way more healthy for your babies, okay? All right, so let's look at this. Oh, okay. So this is some organic strawberry fruit spread jam, pretty much, that I ordered because I just wanted, I've been doing like, I think toast, and I wanted some organic jelly. And I saw this on Thrive. They have it in stores too, but I saw it on Thrive and I just found it intriguing. It's actually made by Thrive and it's organic and it's sweetened with fruit juice, you know, so it's not a lot of sugar in it. It's not fattening. It's organic, gluten-free, it's vegan. So yeah, I just cannot wait to try it. But I'm not gonna open this up, okay? Because I got no bread right now. I ain't no more bread. I'm sorry. Like, I don't got no biscuits either. But, you know, when I do open it up, I'll share it on my Instagram stories. I do that a lot. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram. And if you like me sharing my foods with you, let me know in the comments. Because you know, I know some people have said they like me sharing my meals with them. So if you do, just drop me a comment. I like to know the more people that likes that type of stuff. So I got this too. All right, so y'all, I got these. They're like the healthy version of Pop-Tarts. And I've had these before, so this is like my second order of these. I just had to order them and share them with you guys because these things, they're made with real fruit. They're organic, no artificial flavors. Like, you guys have got to look for that stuff in your food. You have no idea how many health issues food is causing nowadays. So be mindful of that. But these are so good to be, you know, organic. And they come with, I think, about 6. Yeah, it's 6 in this box. They're so good. If you try them out. If your kids like Pop-Tarts, try these instead. Also ordered these. So they are dragon fruit chips. It's a superfood, non-GMO, made by Thrive, and it said they're naturally sweet. I've never had these, but I'm gonna just open them up and see how they taste. I actually just like the bag online. When I was looking at some snacks, I was like, this is just a pretty pink bag. I wonder how they taste. I've never had dragon fruit, so this is gonna be interesting. Okay. Ooh. Jesus Christ. Can you see that? Look how big that is. I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying to hold it where you can see it. God, that's huge. And it's purple. I'm just gonna break this off. But I've never had dragon fruit, so it's hard for me to like tell you. If it tastes like dragon fruit, I don't know. It's different. It is different. I probably eat this when I run out of snacks and I'm so hungry and ain't got nothing else to eat. But will I be ordering these again? Probably not. They're okay. They're okay. That's all I can say. They're not disgusting, but they're not the greatest either. So now these fruit snacks I have had before, and I think I shared them with you guys before in one of my past videos. They're from Young Earth and they're organic fruit snacks. Yo, these things are good. They are so good. You gotta try them. They're gluten-free, non-dairy, no nuts. Organic. It's 10 packs in here. Look, this is great. Well, I'm not a kid, but I love them. But if your kid loves like gummy snacks and fruit snacks, try these. They'll love them. They're so good. And then I ordered some more fruit snacks. They're not as pretty as that last fruit bag, but these are actually like, it's like real dry fruit that's chewy though. So they literally are not candy based. Like those look like candy and taste like candy, but these are actually like dried fruit bites. And this one is called Kind Fruit Bites. It's made with strawberries, cherries, and apples. No sugar is added, and of course they're gluten-free and all of that. And they're only about 5 packs that come in the box, and they're kind of expensive, but yo, so worth it. Like, they may not look pretty, like when you pull it out and put it in your hand, it's like dry fruit, but they actually taste good, and it's very, very, very healthy because it's real fruit that you're eating. Definitely recommend checking these out. I will link all of this stuff, of course, in the description box. And if you're unsure where that is, if you're watching from mobile, be sure to click that little arrow that is to the right of the screen, and it'll show you all the information. I also got these. These are organic strawberry bites. I've never had these. Again, I was just surfing on Thrive and came across them. They're freeze-dried, crunchy strawberries, and they're an excellent source of vitamin C. So I said, why not try these? Why not try them? Why not try them? So, okay. So they like really like dry strawberries. Ooh, it smells just like strawberries actually. Let's see how they taste. They taste like dry strawberries. Not bad. Not bad for an organic snack. Let's see, two more things. One thing I bought was this. They're sun-dried tomato and basil almond flour crackers. So way more healthier than normal crackers. They're almond flour crackers, and this flavor is called sun-dried tomato and basil. They're gluten-free, and they have 3 grams of protein per serving. So pretty dang on good, and only 70 calories from fat. I have had the cheddar flavored almond flour crackers, and they're okay. It's an acquired taste. They're not bad, but again, if you've never had almond crackers, it is an acquired taste. The more you eat them, the more you acquire that taste. I haven't had this flavor, so I'm gonna open these up and taste them out. So this is how they look. Just little crackers. Smells good. Smells like tomato and basil. Okay, to be honest, a little bland. Don't have salt on them either, but they're not bad. I definitely taste the tomato and basil. But again, even with any type of almond crackers, it's an acquired taste. You have to start eating them more and more. They do not taste like cheese crackers, so do not expect that. Okay. I don't know how this tastes. This is, so this was sent to me from Thrive. It was a free item. Like usually they always have some type of sale. Like if you spend over a certain item, you get something free. So this was free. It's a protein bar. It's a 3 egg whites, 13 gram protein, fruits and nuts bar, and the flavor is dark chocolate, sea salt, and it's paleo, gluten-free. Now I'm a huge fan of protein bars. I do lots and lots and lots of protein bars. I've never had this one, by the way. Never had this one, so I'm gonna open up and taste it. But I do protein bars a lot. That's a great snack. I'm trying to give you guys alternatives to the snacks you're probably eating on. Protein is definitely one because it's filling. It fills you up more than all the sugary and starchy and all that stuff. So I'm gonna try this out. I don't know how I feel about it. You know, I'm very skeptical about protein bars because a lot of them just are not good. You know what? If you're interested in knowing what protein bars I really like and I think are good, I will come back and share it if you guys are interested, but you gotta let me know. So comment below and let me know if you're actually interested in knowing that information, because I'm very particular about protein bars because they're just not good. A lot of them are not good. They just taste like protein, you know? I need something that tastes good. So it took me a lot of trial and error to find something that I really like. You know, but again, if you're interested, just let me know, because I don't want to waste my time on stuff y'all don't want to know. Anyway, so this is how this bar looks. It's really dark. You can see the nuts in it. It's soft and chewy. Let's see how it tastes. I probably would not be tasting that or eating that. Not my cup of tea. It's too eggy. It's too gooey. And it does not taste great. That's a no for me. That's a no. That's a no. So yeah, I hope I've given you guys some alternatives to, you know, when you want to just munch and snack. Instead of going and snacking on, you know, the fattening foods, you know, and cookies and chips and ice cream and, well, actually, desserts is a whole nother topic, okay? Yeah, that's a different topic. But anyway, like, all of that, junk food, even for your kids, guys, start to try to incorporate healthy and organic foods. And I hope I inspired you guys and motivated you. I will leave links again to everything below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, be sure to go ahead and give me that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. If you have not saw any of my previous Thrive hauls and taste tests, be sure to head on over there and check those out, and I'll see you guys in those videos.